If you value your time, then time will value you. But if you ruin your time, then time will ruin your whole life. Yes, Yaram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you a motivational story. Why I'm going to tell you a motivational story in this video? Because for learning this language or for learning any skill, it's very important to be consistent. It's not going to help you that okay, I will do this work tomorrow, and when जब कल आता है तो फिर you will say okay, I will do this work tomorrow. So it's not going to help you. It's not going to help you 0.1%, because procrastination, it's a bad habit, and because of this habit you cannot achieve a big goal that you want to achieve. So in today's video I'm going to tell you a motivational story depend on procrastination. So the story goes like this. Once there lived a young boy in a small town. He was very lazy and had a habit of procrastinating. He always delayed his urgent work and tasks and was a victim of procrastination. As a result, he was falling behind in studies and other fields of life as compared to his friend and class fellows. His family and teachers told him many times to value his time, but he did not listen to their advice. He did not care about his future and wasted his time on, bad things. One day, a wise monk arrived in their town. He was renowned for his wisdom and enlightenment. Many people wanted to meet him and learn from him. So the young boy also decided to go and see the monk, hoping that he could get something to surpass his friend in every field of life. He reached the place where the monk was staying and waited. When his turn came, he walked to the monk and said, "Oh, oh monk, please help me. I am failure in my life. I am lagging behind my friend, classmates, and contemporaries in every field. I want to surpass them all and become the best. So please tell me how to do that." The monk looked at the young man with curiously and said, "My child, you are suffering because you do not value your time. You procrastinate and waste your precious moment which you can never get back. Let me tell you a story by which you can understand the value of time." The boy nodded eagerly and listened to the monk's story. The monk continued the story. Once upon a time, there was a king who was very generous and kind. He loved his people and always helped them in their needs. One day, he met his old classmate with whom he had studied, and he was very poor. He had no job, no money, and no respect. He always complained about his fate and blamed others for his problem. The king recognized his classmate and felt sorry for him and asked him about his life and his troubles. The classmate said eagerly, "O king, I don't know why everyone says that I can't do anything. Even when I go to a job, everyone refuses me. My enemies had told everyone that I never do any work on time. I don't understand what to do." The king said, "Let us make a day before sunset. You come to my treasury and collect as much as gold you want. So it will all yours. The classmate was overjoyed and thanked the king, and he rushed to his home and told his wife everything. His wife was very happy and said, "Go and get the gold and gems now. Time is good for you." So the classmate said, "Okay, I can't go now. I am hungry. Give me lunch first." So his wife quickly prepared some food and served him. He ate his lunch slowly and thinking that he had a plenty of time to get the treasure. So after completing his lunch, he felt sleepy and he thought, I should take a nap. I will go to the treasury after I woke up. So he lay down on his bed and closed his eyes. He thought he would sleep for a while, but he slept for 2 hours. When he woke up, he saw that it was late in the afternoon. He picked up a few bags and went to the king's treasury. On the way, the sun was shining brightly, and he felt that okay, I should take some rest, because it's a very much time. So he sat under a tree, and the wind was blowing very cold. So as soon as he slept there, he again slept. He kept sleeping for another 4 hours. When he woke up, he saw that evening was approaching and the sun was about to set. He got up early and started running towards the palace. So, after some time, he finally, reached the palace, but it was too late. The sun has set and the palace gate had been shut. So, before he could stay there, the lazy man was standing disappointed. He had missed the chance to get rich because he did not value his time. So the monk finished the story and looked at the young boy. The boy was speechless. He realized his mistake and felt ashamed. He thanked the monk for his guidance and vowed to change his face. He understood that time is precious and should not be wasted. He went back to his home and he started working hard on from that day. He stopped procrastinating and became more productive and successful. He also making happy and more respected by his friends and family. So this is the story. If we see in our life, we will find that time is like a gold. It is the most precious thing that we have. We have only a limited amount of time in our life, but we should use it wisely and productively. We should not be waste our time on things that do not matter, but focus on things that do. We should not delay about works and tasks, but do them on time and with quality. There is a famous quote, if you value your time, then time will value you. But if you ruin your time, then time will ruin your whole life. So we can achieve anything what we like, okay? So we can achieve anything that we want to achieve, but if we miss our time, we will regret later. So learn the value of time, okay? So it's very important to learn the value of time. It's very important. And if you want to learn this language, so you have to do practice each and every day, because if you think okay, I will do practice morning time, I will do practice in evening time, and then that time goes up, you feel okay, it's not my cup of tea, it's very difficult, so you can't learn this language. So you have to be consistent, you have to stop procrastinating, okay, and then you will achieve whatever you want to achieve. You will be master in English if you do work with consistently, Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, just Yaram, so please do subscribe my channel if you like this story. Okay.